Wildlife with Learn Travers.
Welcome, fellow explorers, to another chapter of the wild. Today, we are stepping into the untamed beauty of Africa's heart and meeting a creature that has captured human imaginations for centuries, the mighty lion. Known as the king of the jungle, the lion reigns with unmatched power, grace, and mystery. Lions, with their golden manes flowing in the wind, are symbols of strength and nobility. Yet, beneath their fierce exterior, they are social creatures with a complex, cooperative structure. The lion's strength doesn't only lie in its muscular frame, but also in the unity of the pride. Unlike most big cats, lions are not solitary. They live in prides, large, closely knit families where the bonds of loyalty and teamwork form the foundation of their survival. These prides can consist of up to 30 individuals, including females, cubs, and a few dominant males. While the males hold dominion over their territories, it is the lionesses who do much of the hunting. Their stealth and cooperation in bringing down large prey like wildebeests, zebras, and buffalo are testaments to their strategic prowess. They hunt not just with strength, but with intelligence. But despite their strength and dominance, lions are not invincible. Their survival depends on a balance of power and unity, where every member of the pride plays a role. It's this balance that allows them to thrive, from the tiniest cub to the majestic leader of the pride. And when it comes to power, no sound is as iconic as the lion's roar. Reverberating across miles of the African savanna, it's a call to both warn rivals and unite the pride. Each roar is a declaration of strength, a reminder of the lion's unrivaled presence. But there's more to the lion than its strength and might. At its heart, it's a mother, a protector, and a nurturer. The lioness cares for the young, teaching them vital survival skills, how to hunt, to navigate the dangers of the wild, and to live within the intricate social web that binds them. As they grow, cubs learn the essence of their wild heritage, preparing to one day take on the mantle of the proud predator. The cycle of life continues, as the savanna's heartbeat echoes through generations. In the grand tapestry of nature, the lion stands as a timeless symbol of power, courage, and resilience. Its presence commands awe, while its social nature reminds us that even the strongest of leaders thrive within a community. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey into the wild. The lion, in all its grandeur, continues to reign supreme, a true testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and let the wild inspire you.